destination. We've got checksum, we've got checksum, we've got length, we've got length number. Where is it? We've got length there too. I don't know why it doesn't show you, but all the things are the same, and this is application layer data segment. So as you can see, all of these items are here, plus lots of other items. The same as sequence number, the same as acknowledgement. We don't have sequence number in UDP. We don't have acknowledgement number in UDP. But in TCP we've got acknowledgement. So we need to have the place for, I don't know, showing the acknowledge. We've got length here.
Yes, sir. But
the size is also
it's separated.
Yeah, it is separated, but you've got 16 here and you've got 16 here.
It's totally
equal. But there are lots of other things: urgent, windows, I don't know, options, acknowledgement, sequence. So this is the difference. What is different in TCP and UDP? No, not the sequence. All these extra things that we've got, and we're going to talk. And as you can see, the packet that you're going to send is 20 bytes, and here's 8 bytes. So even the size of it is different.
2.45.
Yeah. That's bigger. So if you want to send something like this is your backpack things. You've got 8 clothes in your backpack, or you've got 20 clothes in your backpack. It's much more, I don't know, easier to walk, run, and do the things when you're carrying the files. This is just overview. Okay?
Okay.
Can we go deeply inside in each of them?
If it's needed.
Yeah, you should need what kind of things is acknowledgement number, what is sequence number, and things like that. You just need the overview of it. You don't need to know all the details. Because if you want more details, you can go and read, I don't know, separate things. This course will just give you the overview of all of them. Why? Let me tell you something. We are going to prepare for a big thing for next semester. That would be the configuration of the router. So in this part, there are lots of information for you, because you need these kind of information in future. But if you want to be more expert in sequence number, there are lots of notes, documents, books, and things like that that you can go and read for sequence number or anything like that. Identify how port number is represented and describe the row port number, place in TCP, things like that. This is transport layer, and this one is the application layer. Okay? So we are going to have the instant chat messaging system. We're going to surf the web. We're going to send an email to someone. Okay, there are 3 different examples in here for you. So, in the application layer, we know that we're going to send email, surf the web, or using chat systems, anything, Talk or Yahoo Messenger, or anything for chatting. Okay. So the protocol that you're using is IM, HTTP, and POP3, Post Office Protocol. Okay? And the port number. You are using port number 80 for surfing the web. You are using port 110 for using POP3. You are using port number 531 for instant messaging. So this is the fixed port for you. What is port? This is the first place that you can talk about ports, but I don't think you don't have port ports here. We don't yeah, the ports here. Okay, I will tell all you need about the ports, and then we can escape from the next slide faster. Okay. This is google.com. Okay. Here we've got PC1, and here we've got PC2. It could be anything. It could be even home. So it doesn't really matter. You are connected to these kinds of devices, okay? It means that I'm not going to talk about this part, I'm not going to talk about this part, so the scale is like this because I'm going to just talk about this point. So, this is google.com. We've got mail server here. We've got web server here. I don't know. What else do we have? We've got mail server. Chatting system. No. Google don't have any chatting system, right? Don't have that. I think so. I think FTP. So, okay. You want to use the Google. It doesn't really matter how you can find Google. Does it matter for you? No, it doesn't matter. Okay. So this one is going to surf the web. It means that he wants to go to www.google.com. So he comes to here. This is PC1. He also wants to, I don't know, checking his Gmail. Hello, Gmail is using 80 port because, let me just change it because I'm not going to use Gmail with a web page, okay? I'm using my Outlook Express for downloading and uploading my emails, okay? For this scenario, imagine that, okay? Because if you write like this, it will be wrong because the Google.com will be port 80 again. So we're just working on our Outlook system. So just imagine, okay? I don't need to write Hotmail here because in Hotmail you can use the port NSFTP, just leave it here. And here, this one is also wants a file from Google, okay? So, all of them are here. And Google is waiting for, there are 3 sessions now at Google. So, how can I route this one? We are in Google area. This is Google's LAN. And these are different, although no LAN. This is the Google area, just area. Okay? So how can I route them? There are different servers. I don't know. They're just wants to see the Google. So we are here. We are in Google. So what kind of service should I give him? Or this one? Or this one?